you're going on vacation with your ex-husband and his wife and their son? And it's like, yeah, all of us are hanging out. We planned it on purpose. So people to see that example, it opens up people's minds like, wow, it's possible. We're not anything special. We're not. It's just we're a normal family who found meditation, and all of a sudden, like people are like they almost like double take us. Like, how are you guys all connected? Wherever we go. And I think it's important to share that with everybody because there's kids out there who don't think it's possible for their parents to get along post-divorce. And that's what they're going to grow up with. That's like and it's not that it's bad or good. It's just something, another option that I think would be very nice for kids. And, people out there that don't believe that their relationship could get to a healthy spot, like you should see me and Matt a long time ago. I would have said the same thing. Like, nah, I don't think it's gonna work. You haven't met Matt and I, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Our parenting and overall just relationship was pretty tough. I think we had a lot of communication issues. I don't think neither of us felt like we were being heard.
All the times that you would tell me things, like I would just kind of nod my head and say yes, but I was never listening to anything you said. So it was more like just agreeing so I could move along with my day faster and not have to be on the phone with you. Or my involvement wasn't like full, I wasn't fully there ever. I never even had really a role model with my adopted father passing away when I was, 11, 12. So I had nothing to kind of base my behaviors off of. I was just kind of winging it, so to say. And yeah, not knowing anything. The not knowing was stressful and difficult. I was always questioning everything I did, all my behaviors, all my actions. I never had a right answer that I felt real confident and comfortable with.
We brought our baggage to it. And it was like, it became toxic, it became rough, it became upsetting. And when we chose to divorce, we were hoping like, we get to find ourselves now and spend that time and still co-parent.
Probably Henrik had it the worst though, because he was dealing with two parents who both were dealing with their own things going on, trying to navigate through his early years in life, trying to understand.
With what we're trying to do for him and to like make him see like this is a different way with better communication. I think that's a better output of not only our energy into co-parenting, but his childhood is definitely better for it.
Hendrik is able to be overall happier with his life, feel more comfortable, and have stability, most importantly.
The kids was finally understood and felt peaceful.
I agree.
We see the effects of better communication, and I'm able to like vent to you about things that we're dealing with our son.
When I listen, I'm actually hearing what you're saying, and I can be on the same page with you.
And then we bring in then we tell our spouses. So our son is usually has four people talking to him about the same topic, and we're all on the
Yeah,
same page, which is very
absolutely.
strengthening for him. There is no like dad's family, mom's family. It's literally like it's one family. We're all on the same page. Let's work through this. So I think the openness that we have helps him too.
I've learned to change my expectations of things. I've learned to become more accepting of everything. And I think I've learned, to be more supportive. I'm there for him and for you as much as I can be. So
I appreciate that. It might feel uncomfortable for people thinking like, oh, like you're friends with your ex, or, it's all these bad societal pressures that is put on like post-divorce, like what it's supposed to look like. So I think when our spouses came into it, it felt even stronger. Like our family just grew. So I really
absolutely.
appreciated that for both of us.
Definitely agree. It's such an amazing feeling to know that like even my mom, even with us being divorced, is welcome to be with you and at your families and there's no barriers whatsoever. With this meditation, you can have everything that you really want. You just have to put in a little bit of work for it, but it's possible.
When you start to heal within yourself, you realize all the relationships around you begin to heal on their own. You can see it. You can see how it just brings a light into your family dynamic for sure.
Pretty lucky.
Lucky.
Thank you. Okay.
Good job, Matt.